Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, when today matter, like the thing, it shocktalize everybody. You understand? Because wetin Bobrisma really do, e no do am well. Everybody condemn am, except say people wey hate a pa Edimofi, na im no condemn am. But we be say we dey see where we really condemn am, e no good. How a pa go just come out, no matter wetin your pikin go do you. I know say they offend you in the past, yeah, but I even think say maybe you don't even still forgive them. Why this one now? This way what we can see, we not like am. E no good for her. E no good at all. Epa, abeg. If you get anywhere wey take return that course, abeg go return am. You even swear for his okay no reach. E children. Epa. These children, you never see them face to face. Oh. They be your grandchildren. You no suppose do that kind of thing. No matter wetin a pa and the wife do, e no suppose make you carry that kind swear for them. You no good a pa. Abeg. Because I even see say you say the rest of your children they do birthday for you. They not gonna do it's okay, not gonna bring money. Now it's okay, not bring, and you not go see pray for her. No, that is very wrong. Very, very wrong. You not good. Because they not do birthday. Now that one serious for person to papa to swear for person, my darling people. Hey, not what we not go see for that Edo state too. Not what we not go see. You not go the pa. I can't see one more maybe they do live video. Izzy Ogbeide come call in. I really love what he talk. You understand? E no good. Epa. That make that they say me you train your pikin where. Me you train your pikin so that your pikin will come to do for you tomorrow. You understand? Epa, try me you return that course. You go just swear that kind swear for your own grandchildren. 9. Just go say 9 is not good. We condemn that swear when you swear for a pal, a grandchildren. You know go the pa. I beg. And the elderly people was there. Then they say Ugbe, Ugbe. Like seriously? Una even know say na a pa na a pikin na dey swear for wey use the own John Thomas take born. Now wow. More na listen.
All his children are like vagabonds. Okay, where they pay on our boy. When this matter for someone talk,
wait, you know waiting. You hear what I talk, Grossman. I say he get many work for talk because they not chief now. Hold on, you dey hear me?
No.
Ah, get when I follow and I'm gonna be hey. A point. You dey hear me?
Yeah,
point.
You know, every year to a
talent. I went around 1 hour because a chief
the things where they do to market people. I know I experienced it. I was beaten by Tony Kabaka, Tony Kapwepwe.
You know the year Izzy Ogbeide say wetin they do to ram. I know say a pa but based on I see one kind of rugged man that year, you know. So he said they even beat her, even Tony Kabaka even beat her too for market that time.
All of them, Togoyaro, all those people, I fucking know them. At least give your children good education with my money. That would be nice. It would be nice that you use and feed your children. You give them basic good education. Come here, they say it's our father no matter what. Beat your picking for abroad. If they're not collecting from you.
All this one, you know all this one where say it's your father. Now those don't beat.
We are where we are.
Izzy, babe.
Yourself and think straight.
Easy.
You treat your children well.
Easy.
This kind of entitlement, you go use and reach your children.
But where?
Yeah.
When
Bullshit. You start learning so you treat your children right. I know your
Let make me father treat your pikin well.
value them no matter what. They are your responsibilities, not the other way around.
Yeah.
Now don't ask me if I eat, not be me go they ask them if they eat. Woman I said it.
That is why it not good make mama, even some mama they use anger swear for their pikin that time. You go bring breast come out. When no woman now, it don't more way. When no woman now, I know say na anger now they make them do one. You know good. Later self, they'll come even they regret. They look for how they want to return all those costs. But this one way part of this will do. Chief, for that matter, I beg, try me you return this cost. And what they do is Zigbe in the past, now is Zigbe the talk so.
When it's easy, you see on that day, my pikin in Nigeria. I trained, they finish university. I say go learn work. He come on for year, he marry. I see buy car give one. Woman and somebody they use and yab me. He buy car. You buy car. Yes.
Taking bullshit from your African parents when you deliver abroad. You go use the same behavior, follow your children here. Before you know it, your children go run from it, they won't call you. Don't go marry for Las Vegas, you don't go appear for their wedding. As my single mother, you just how I use mama behavior, they follow my pikin. You do well. Entitlement, that is bullshit. Call it up. Let the circle stop for your body. Stop recycling bad behavior. Let the circle stop for your body. Say the way mama take behave.
I can't behave like that to my children. No, some people still call this abroad. Their mentality na brogada broa. Or block.
Who the hell are you? Let me say where you born me. Carry Juju come and they cost me. Who send you message? I go when you you feel like what they beat the picking for abroad, there's a consequence for that.
Yeah.
You have to take responsibility
That
for
is
your
why I
actions.
love this is Zigbe. She too get wisdom.
Most of you live abroad. Why you see recycling the mentality is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Really?
Like seriously?
If you talk this thing like pants go
I want let Zigbe speak American English. He said if you talk this one, he said if you talk this thing, parts go the tea. Is
easy. This one where they say na fair again. Now those one where the mafia all this one.
Yeah.
All those one where they join group with them. Now they go come. It's a fair day. The matter you dey hear me? All those group them. Now then they write all those things. Normal person where correct.
No, you go condemn that thing.
If the lay cause on you in public, expect the way he say, we have a go
very, very bad. Very, very bad.
Mama, they probably won't do it. Put those shifts. Me, I want even if call like that.
Is Zigbe go bring a call for comments? He go cancel all the shift where they there. Yeah, the legend now.
Is it Baya Bugbe? Yeah, Bugbe. Muda is it no renting level way. If you have many or if you are with we say, oh, one in a while is it Muda.
Who must see dead there? Wanna be Agbi say yo? Like seriously, like really?
They are done pierre. No matter what. They hear me?
Yeah, mama.
Better papa, no matter what, when you are walking, and that's what I say, but probably and on that go give me, on an hour,
because of Mario. Like really?
Oh, I want on the mouth of the white coming. Mother,
show me. It's ridiculous. You don't cost your children. They are your responsibility no matter what. Like our African parents don't they take responsibility for their actions. Many of behavior of children started from home.
Yeah.
Don't just say, no, what are you doing to help that child? Let the cycle stop for your body. Say the way mama take behave.
Man, I can't behave like that to my children. No, some people still call this abroad. Their mentality na brogada broa.
So my darling people, anything you want to think about this video, Mona leave on a comment for the comment section. Wetin is Zigbe talk? It really makes sense. For me, yeah, it really makes sense. So you, where they watch me now, anything what you think about this video, when you leave your comment for the comment section. Wetin Bobby's will do if not good thing, if not bad thing, if we condemn her as a mother or as a father, leave your comments, my darling people. Thank you. Bye.
Wow.